voice control the TV in your car. Let me give you a demonstration first.
Turn on left TV.
Okay.
Hey Siri. Next channel.
Okay.
Do you want to know how does it work? The secret is to use this small black device to turn your car's TV into a smart appliance. Step 1. Buy this small black universal remote control device. Step 2. Get the universal remote device to learn and pair it with the car's TV remote control. Universal IR Remote Setup Guide. Pair using the Others option because the TV in the car is normally not in the database. Follow the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Make sure your iPhone hotspot has the same name as your home Wi-Fi, so you can set up the device in the house and use it in the car later. Press a button on the car's TV remote, holding it close to the black device to add the name you'd like associated to that button. Step 4. Use the USB port in the car to power on this black dot universal remote and use personal hotspot to establish internet between your iPhone.
With Personal Hotspot, you can share the cellular data connection of your iPhone with another device when you don't have access to a Wi-Fi network. In Settings, tap Personal Hotspot. If Personal Hotspot isn't listed here, tap Cellular to enable this feature. If you still don't see it, contact your carrier to make sure you can use Personal Hotspot with your plan. If you're connecting one of your own devices that's signed in to your iCloud account, your Personal Hotspot will automatically be available in your network list. To share your connection with your friends and other devices, tap Allow Others to join. Your Personal Hotspot also has an auto-generated Wi-Fi password, but you can tap to change it anytime. Now, let's connect a device to your Personal Hotspot. If you're connecting your iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, and then find the Personal Hotspot you'd like to use.
TV.
Just a sec. That's done.
If you enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe and share it with your friends.